In this video, I will tell you about YouFibre Broadband, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. If you are looking for fast and reliable broadband, YouFibre might be the one you need. Its focus on the full fiber internet is quickly becoming a favorite for household and business alike. So in order to understand if YouFibre is right for you, let's dive into the details. YouFibre specializes in ultra-fast internet speed with packages offering to 1 Gbps. This makes perfect for streaming, gaming, and online working. Many users praise its consistent performance even during the peak hours, which is a software feature compared to the other provider. The pricing is another strong point. YouFibre plans are competitively priced, offering great value for the speed provided. They also often include perks like no installation fees and discounted rates for new customers, make it an appealing option for customer services. It is where YouFibre truly shine. Reviews highlight their responsive and friendly sports team, which is already in the broadband industry. Installation is a quick and hassle-free with techniques ensuring everything is set up to your satisfaction. However, availability is still a limitation. YouFibre is rolling out its service across the UK but isn't yet accessible everywhere. Check their coverage map to see if your area is included in the summary. YouFibre is a fantastic choice if you want fast, affordable and reliable broadband with excellent customer service. As their network is expanded, that's certainly one to watch in 2024.